Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Nissan Connect Services Emergency Communication System, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels, Nissan Connect Navigation, Nissan Connect featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated rear seats, illuminated kick plates, Bose premium audio system, AM/FM Nissan Connect with navigation, rear spoiler, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.